Sunshine, I've been waiting. Sunshine, why you playing? With my head on the time, you go way out of line.
Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. I'm Kaviarkezzy. I hope you're all doing well. I'm doing pretty good today, so let's jump into today's install, shall we?
Losing the tension.
Let's give a warm welcome back to today's hair sponsor, Hermosa Hair. I have collaborated with Hermosa a few times on my channel. Today's wig is absolutely gorgeous, full, soft, luxury. Stick around because I'm going to tell you what I got installed.
I'll chase away your shadows.
Today what I have installed is a 24-inch 13x6 HD 220% density deep wave wig. This is also a glueless wig. It comes pre-plucked, pre-cut, pre-bleached, pre-everything.
Sounds like it's your ringtone. I get chills when you call. Wanna give you my heart. So I might talk all night long. Show me affection, attention, and care. Losing the tension, and baby, I swear I'll give you my tomorrow. Forever and now, I'll never bring you sorrow. So don't let me down. I'll chase away your shadows, away from the crowd. I'll give you my tomorrow. Forever and now.
Hey friends, okay, let's get started. When I get my wigs, I like to kind of put it on, get a feel for everything, like where the flaps are reaching, are they lined up? All of these things are important to me. We definitely should go in with some lace tint, foundation. You can use lace tint, whatever you have on hand. I actually put the slightest amount on there. You don't want it to be wet the lace. You're gonna be putting products, in my case, the product that you're gonna put to contact each other, and it's not gonna be a good seal. I'm just gonna clean off my forehead a little bit. My makeup wipes. I like this one from Walmart. The green one with the cucumbers on it. A little bit behind the scenes. I have kind of been going through it with my health as of late, and going into my second week of my total new lifestyle change because of some things that have been happening with my body. I have a few tests coming up and I have to go get some done tomorrow. So basically what I want to do is secure this wig so it doesn't melt off. One of the tests that I'm going to be doing involves me like running on a treadmill, because they're gonna get a look at my heart. So I want to have my wig like secured down and melted down. So I think I'm actually gonna go in with my Sticky Little Secret today. I haven't used this product in a while, but she does make really good glue. The reason I'm going in with this glue is because it is very much like water resistant for my needs and like sweat resistant. My glue, Lace Lineage glue, which I have here, which I adore. My glue is more of like a semi-hold. I have to be careful with this one because I haven't used it in a while, and I notice if I go in heavy-handed, it's a little bit more difficult for me to have it dry clear. Yeah, so I'm gonna go in with thin layers. I'm gonna go in with the second coat. I think that's the best it's going to get, which is pretty good. I would say it's like about 98% clear, which I'm totally okay with. So I'm gonna pull that forward. Now I can see that there's too much lace right here. I'm just gonna go in with my shears. Be sure not to cut my ears off. I'm gonna do this side and then come back. I'm just waiting for this part to dry fully. gonna go in with my melting spray and lace lineage hair. When we're melting, I'm gonna pull it as tight as I can possibly have it. Don't even clip it with the thing, just tie a knot. This is definitely too tight. I can feel my brain cells bursting. The pressure is getting lesser. Okay, yay! Looking good, that's what we want to see. A part here. So I'm basically creating the rough work for my style. I definitely did bleach the knots. It's not bleached evenly. Let's try here. And that's gonna happen. It's pretty common for wigs to have like certain little spots which seem to have more, you know, bleaching than others. You just gotta adapt. This lineage wax stick. My baby hair maker on. Like, the longer you take on them, probably the better it's gonna look. Okay, I'm pretty happy with those for now. It's clean base, clean face. I don't know what I be saying sometimes, y'all. Just never mind me. I'm just gonna go in and fill that spot with some powder. Go back in with the lace lineage melt spray. Right, pushing the hair in the direction that we ultimately want to mold. I find the easiest way to do these styles is if you put the rest of hair away. Melting spray. Because you can use this as pretty much a spray to do everything. Holding spray, melting spray, styling spray, adhesive spray. Yeah. Beautiful wig, beautiful curls. I'm gonna fluff it out a bit. Okay, so this is what the curls look like. The density, I would say for sure 100%, 220% density, absolutely. And it is beautiful. It is in its true length, and you can see it's full. It's thick all throughout. It's not like thin on the ends. It's just full, same density from root to the tip. We love that. And when I tell you soft, it is just so soft. And the curls is so silky that I didn't need to put water in it because you can see the hair is beautiful. It's defined, it's soft, it's not frizzy even though I combed through it. This is high quality hair. You can just tell. The 13x6 is a big body. It is 13x6 all throughout. Look at the part. You can do whatever kind of styles you want. You can do braids, you can do everything. And I like that it's pre-plucked in a natural way. I think the only critique that I'm going to say for them is be more mindful of where you're bleaching the knots. Beautiful, easy to work with, simple to install. Definitely recommend. If you guys want to check them out, I'm gonna link this wig in the description box for you, so don't forget to check that out before you go. And if there's a discount code, it's gonna be there as well. I'll catch you guys later in another video real soon. Thanks for watching. Love you. Bye.